Friends, I am Praveen Rao. This is Nature Revisited YouTube channel. Friends, earlier I have come up with so many sanctuaries in Uttar Pradesh. This time I am bringing out another sanctuary from Uttar Pradesh, that is Patna Bird Sanctuary. Patna Bird Sanctuary is a small sanctuary of about 1 square kilometers situated in District Etah. One can approach this sanctuary from Delhi to Agra, and from Agra to Tundla, and then to Avagadh, from Avagadh to Jalesar, and from Jalesar to Patna Bird Sanctuary. It is about 6 kilometers from Jalesar. Jalesar is a small town which is also known as Ghunguru city. It is known for making bronze bells. Friends, those who are coming from Delhi, they can stay in Agra comfortably in homestays and different hotels there. The links of which and the details of them I am giving in the description of this YouTube channel. One can stay there and visit this comfortably, go in the morning, stay till end and come back and stay back in Agra. And those who are coming from Lucknow, they can follow Agra Expressway, bypass Firozabad, then go to Avagadh, Jalesar, and once again Patna Bird Sanctuary. As I told you, it's a very small bird sanctuary. It is a rain-fed sanctuary, and it attracts more winter birds during the winter seasons, and the total species count so far, which is from E-bird, which I could collect, is around 286 birds. So friends, you can visit E-bird and you can update whenever you visit that area. And the best part of this sanctuary is on the boundary of it, on one side of it, you have got phoenix grove extending from one end to the other end. It's one of the beautiful groves. You can find so many phoenix trees only in this place. Friends, after this video, I will be coming up with a combination of all the sanctuary which I have photographed so far, which I have videographed so far, so that you can have a circuit from Delhi or from Lucknow in a convenient way. Please wait and watch for my videos. Please subscribe to this channel. If you like this video, give a thumbs up so that I will be more encouraged. And I am also giving the links of all those videos which I have done so far here, so that you can watch them and enjoy them, and you can visit those places with these details given in those videos. Thank you friends, thank you so much. And one more thing I just want to add is, the lake which you are finding behind me is not Patna Lake. It is Aminpur Lake in Hyderabad, because after completion of my service in Uttar Pradesh, after retiring from the service, I have shifted to Hyderabad, and this is one of the lakes, one of the beautiful lakes of Hyderabad, regarding which I will be coming up with another video in near future. Thank you so far.